I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network, and today we're talking with QX Resources. QX Resources is focused on the exploration and development of lithium and copper gold projects. We're talking today with the company's CEO, Steve Promnitz. Steve, welcome back to the network.
Thank you so much.
Steve, QXR has renegotiated the terms of the option agreement for the Liberty Lithium Brine Project. Could you comment on the significance of this restructuring for QXR?
So the Liberty Lithium Brine Project sits in the west of the USA, and this agreement lowers our cash commitments, which is important in the current market. And the other thing it does is expands our opportunities into 2 additional projects, also for lithium brines in the western US.
So this new agreement includes an option to acquire an interest in 2 other lithium brine projects, as you mentioned, in Nevada and Utah. What can you tell us about the potential of these projects?
So it's always difficult to tell before you drill, but these also have encouraging results at surface. The key takeaway is that now QXR and its shareholders has exposure to 3 lithium brine projects in the US.
And with the growing demand for lithium in the US battery industry, how important is it for QXR to be strategically positioned in the US market? How do you see this shaping the company's future?
This is the reason we went there about a year ago, and this is the reason we continue. As we know, lithium prices have come off, so people go, oh, why would I care? The thing is, the US has its own ecosystem. It's come out just in the last week to say they're trying to restrict the access to Chinese EVs into their market. They continue to try and bolster the whole supply chain for batteries and also battery minerals in the US. So being there and being on the upstream end of what is continuing to be an expanding sector, I think is great. And it really doesn't matter what happens with the US election. Both sides of politics are supporting this approach. So strategically, it's a great place to be.
And Steve, just in conclusion, what are the next steps of the project?
Right, so the next steps, now that we've got this deal done, we're going to work out what the next plan of drilling will be on these projects. And then further, you'll hear more announcements about our plans in Queensland on our gold and copper gold projects. So look, there aren't too many companies that have got a market cap of sort of $6 million that are well positioned in key strategic areas. So please watch this space. Our ticker code is QXR. Thank you.
Steve, many thanks for your time.